So I have to keep taking them out until everything. Needful. So see you soon on my next video. Bye.